So if you're looking for AI tools, this is the best website to utilize as a directory. It's called AIExploria.com, the URL right here. Just type that in. And on this website, you can go ahead and find almost any AI tool that you need. You can go through all the different categories, or just go here and search by category right here. For instance, if you're looking for a let's say art category, you can click that and see what they have available. Obviously some of them are featured or paid as a promotion, but they label it as such. And you can see here which ones are free trial, etc. And you can go ahead and visit them through this app. And you can go ahead to the front and go to the full list, and you can go ahead and see through each category what they have. For instance, the top 50 trends, you can go through each individual AI tool that you can utilize, for instance VO3. And you can use this as your explorer to discover which ones you would want to use for whatever category of tool you're looking for. So once again, we'll go back here, and it's also great to note that it is verified. You can click to see which ones are verified to make sure that you're using ones that are safe and approved by the website itself. So hopefully you found this helpful. This website is great, a great place to find tools for AI. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.